the best vitamin to repair ligaments and tendons. If you suffer with joint pain in your knees, wrists, hips, elbows, shoulders or jaw, then you may be suffering with a type of joint damage. The joints of your body contain connective tissues such as ligaments, tendons and cartilage, which allows them to move and bend. Sometimes these connective tissues become damaged, which causes stiffness and a dull aching sensation, especially in the hands, spine and wrists. In more severe cases, you may notice warm, red skin around the joint and the muscles around it begin to waste away. Luckily, there are natural ways to repair the joints and eliminate pain and swelling by loading up on vitamin C. In today's video, we will be exploring the benefits of vitamin C to heal your joints naturally. You will also learn about what caused the damage and the best food and supplements to heal the joints. Vitamin C, what is it? Vitamin C is a water-soluble nutrient which plays an important role in strengthening and protecting the joints. The body uses vitamin C to help build and repair the connective tissues such as the ligaments and tendons because the body uses it to build collagen. Collagen is the structural material which keeps your joints held together by strengthening them with a strong framework. This vitamin is also an antioxidant, meaning that it helps to reduce the effects of aging and oxidative damage to your body by lowering inflammation. When you do not have enough vitamin C in your body, the joints become weaker, damaged and start to rub away. This can cause bone-on-bone rubbing and some severe pain and swelling. Why am I deficient in vitamin C? The most common cause of a vitamin C deficiency is consuming sugary foods and refined carbohydrates like bread, pasta and white rice. In the presence of these foods, your body absorbs the sugar and the carbs first, which makes you absorb less vitamin C. Also, if you feel stressed for long periods of time, your adrenal glands use up more of your vitamin C reserves to make hormones like cortisol. A vitamin C deficiency can also be caused by surgery or injuries because the body uses more vitamin C to help heal itself. Poor nutrition. Another common cause of a vitamin C deficiency is eating too many cooked foods and not enough raw leafy greens, fruits and vegetables. Vitamin C is sensitive to temperature and breaks down when it is exposed to heat and cooking, so you must get it from raw foods. The body can only store vitamin C for around 2 weeks, so if you don't get enough from your food, you will easily become deficient. How to absorb more vitamin C? There are 3 key steps that you can take to get more vitamin C into your body to reduce joint pain and start repairing them naturally. 1. Consume foods rich in vitamin C in its natural complex on a daily basis. Eat 2 bell peppers per day, as these are one of the best sources of vitamin C. Also consume leafy green salads, sauerkraut, berries and citrus fruits like lemon and limes. These should all be raw and uncooked to get the raw enzymes and antioxidants into your system. 2. Reduce refined foods from your diet. Flour-based foods like bread, biscuits and pastries and sugary foods like sweets, sodas and barbecue sauces all block your absorption of vitamin C. Cut these out of your diet as much as you can. 3. Manage your stress levels because stress depletes vitamin C. Getting more sleep, taking long, slow walks in fresh air and meditation are great options. You may also take adaptogen herbs like ashwagandha or rhodiola to reduce stress. By following these 3 key steps, your body will soon begin to digest and absorb more vitamin C naturally from the foods that you eat. This will boost your antioxidant network, and soon you will notice joint pain diminishing as the vitamin C lowers inflammation, swelling and pain. Range of motion will increase in all of your joints, and you will have higher energy levels because of the vitamin C's antioxidant effect. Vitamin C will help your body to synthesize new proteins and collagen that strengthen the connective tissues in your joints. Water soluble. Vitamin C is a water-soluble nutrient, meaning that your body cannot store it for very long compared to fat-soluble nutrients like vitamin E or A. This means that you have to keep consuming vitamin C regularly to protect your joints from further damage. Not getting enough vitamin C for only 1 to 2 weeks can lead to a deficiency, leading to pain and inflammation in your joints, tiredness, fatigue, and weakness in the body. Supplements to heal your joints. Now we will take a look at 3 important supplements that you can take to quickly repair your joints at a faster rate. 1. Acerola cherry. To get a head start and really raise your vitamin C levels, take a pill or powdered form of acerola cherry daily. Food-based supplements of vitamin C are much better for you than synthetic ascorbic acid that you see in most stores. Acerola cherry contains minerals which work with the vitamin C to build collagen and strengthen your joints. 2. Bone broth. Start consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of bone broth powder daily. You can drink this in hot water or add it to soups and stir-fries. Bone broth is the best natural source of collagen and provides the raw materials needed to strengthen your joints. 3. Potassium citrate. Take potassium citrate, the best mineral in the world to reduce joint pain, swelling, and inflammation in the joints. This helps your adrenal glands to produce anti-inflammatory hormones like cortisol so that you don't burn through all of your vitamin C. This will also help to boost your energy levels and help all of the cells in your body absorb more vitamin C. These supplements all work together to stimulate the regeneration of ligaments, tendons, and cartilage within your joints. You must remember, however, that taking supplements are not a magic pill. You must get most of your nutrients from natural, raw, whole foods. You can also consume virgin cod liver oil and oily fish like salmon. These give you essential omega-3 fatty acids that also reduce swelling and pain in your joints for quick relief. Recommended daily intake. Here is a list of the recommended daily intake for vitamin C depending upon your age. If you were worried about consuming too much vitamin C, you need not be concerned as it is water soluble. The body can flush out any excess through your urine. Those who drink lots of alcohol, smoke, or eat lots of sugar are most likely to be deficient in vitamin C as the body uses up its stores to repair itself from damage. People who are deficient in this nutrient are usually tired, fatigued, and have low energy levels consistently. Summary: vitamin C is an absolutely essential nutrient for protecting and repairing collagen and connective tissues in your body. Getting more vitamin C in its natural food-based complex helps to protect and reverse arthritis, joint pain, swelling, and loss of collagen. It is essential for repairing and healing all ailments in the body, as well as strengthening the immune system to fight bacterial and viral infections. Daily supplementation of vitamin C in the form of acerola cherry and eating salads often improves the range of motion and reduces pain in your joints. To learn more about vitamin C in more depth and detail, please see a link to our important nutrients playlist below. I've also dropped in a few links of some recommended products to help you. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.